Write the known quantity with its units, then multiply by conversion factors that cancel unwanted units, and introduce the desired units until only the desired units remain. Think of unit factor or dimensional analysis, like changing shirts using scarves that only match certain sleeves. You start with the number and its unit, and you multiply by fractions, where the top and bottom are the same quantity expressed in different units, so one unit cancels. Keep track of units the whole time by writing them next to the numbers and canceling them step by step, and always check that the final units are what you want. If a conversion uses powers, like square centimeters to square meters, remember to apply the power to the conversion factor too. It helps to rewrite complex conversions as a chain of simple ones and to work left to right so you do not lose track of which units cancel. Students often forget to apply the power to the conversion factor for squared or cubed units, which leads to answers off by large factors. So always raise the conversion number to the same power as the unit and write it down. Another common mistake is dropping units mid-calculation. So keep units visible and cancel them on paper as you go. Finally, mixing unit systems without proper conversion or using approximate conversion numbers when high precision is required can cause errors. So pick accurate conversion factors from reliable sources and stick with them until you finish. Visit www.gumballdegree.com for more videos and resources on unit conversions and dimensional analysis.